Welcome to Teen Tip Tuesday, demonstrating everyday life skills. The more we know, the better we live. Brought to you by OSU Extension.
Hi, welcome to our video. Today we're going to be talking about first aid kits, from the items in them to how you're going to use the items. We are all 4-Hers from Trumbull County. I'm Colby Turon from the Cows R Us 4-H Dairy Club.
I'm Izzy Petrella from the Kinsman Busy Bees and the Trumbull Hair Raisers.
I am Jordan Smith, and I am also from the Trumbull County Hair Raisers.
Okay. Basic first aid is someone that is important for everyone.
You never know when you're going to need it or it's going to come in handy for you and others around you.
You may need it at a 4-H meeting, at home, at school, or even at work.
The first thing to think about when making a first aid kit is the type of box.
You're not going to want a box that won't fit all your items or keep your items not safe.
Keeping your box in good condition is just as important as keeping you in good condition. You can buy pre-made boxes like this, and if that doesn't work for you, you can buy a bigger tote to hold all your things you may need.
Some things you might need in the box are latex-free gloves because some people might have latex allergies, scissors, tweezers, an instant cold pack, a thermometer, and something that's optional is a CPR mask.
You're also going to want bandages, small, medium, and large, and round because you're not going to use a large bandage on a small little abrasion. You're also going to want medical wrap and or medical tape. This will work for both. You're going to want cloth pads. These are to help clean up any blood or any fluids around the injury, and also to put under gauze wrap to help keep the wound protected, and gauze wrap to wrap the wound.
You may also need burn cream or burn spray like this. Neosporin as well to help with any cuts to help heal them. Itch cream to help stop any itches. Lotion to help with dry skin, and then also a travel pack of tissues.
You also might need alcohol wipes or disinfectant wipes, soap or hand sanitizer, clean water, or antiseptic.
You're also going to want things like Benadryl for allergies and Advil, Tylenol, or ibuprofen. These are because many people might be allergic to one kind of pain reliever or another kind of pain reliever, so you're going to want options. Now that we have run through all the items that we might have in a first aid kit, now we're going to run through some special procedures you might be going through with these items.
Scrapes or abrasions. Clean area of abrasion under water. If it's not bleeding, leave it uncovered, and if it is bleeding, bandage or wrap it gently. For insect bites, first wipe down the area and then use an anti-itch cream. After you've done that, try not to mess with it.
For bloody noses, you're going to want to take a tissue and put it in or below the nose to catch the blood. You're then going to want to take your thumb and your index finger and pinch just below the nose bone. You're going to want to also tilt your head forward, not backward. Cleaning wounds. Put wound under water to wash out debris. Then use wound wash to sterilize the area. After that, you can use tweezers to remove any other debris from the wound.
Now that we have showed you the basic items of first aid kit,
And you have learned about basic first aid care,
You can now be better equipped for minor injuries care amongst your family, peers, and your fellow 4-Hers.